Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session, we will try to discuss about the use of strict mode. Whenever you write the statement use strict, it instructs the browser to execute the code in the strict mode. What does this statement mean? For example, if we can simplify this statement, strict mode in the JavaScript will not allow the use of undefined variables. Next one, use of duplicate parameters for a function. Next one, use of duplicate properties for an object without declaration, or use of octal numbers, that is octal literal values for a variables. So instead of summarizing these points, let us look into the practical part. Now I am trying to take a variable here, variable x equals to 10, and console.log of x here. You can see we got 10, but when I am trying to write use strict here, whenever I am trying to place a use strict statement here, you can see x is not defined. It means we cannot use undefined variables. So this is the first use case, that is strict mode will not allow us to use undefined variables. So this is how we have done with the first part. Now let us take an object now. For example, I am trying to take an object without declaring it. I am trying to take an object without declaring it. For example, I am trying to write name equals to Ramu and location Hyderabad. I am trying to write console.log of x here. So if you can see, when I am trying to save this code and I am trying to check, we got the object. But whenever I am trying to place the same statement, for example I am trying to place the same statement here, it will throw us an error saying that x is not defined. It means the object should be defined. So this is the second case. First one, we cannot use undefined variables, and next one, we cannot use undefined objects. Let me put this in comments. And the next use case, for example, I am trying to write the duplicate parameter names. I have a function here, function hello, and in this function I am trying to take x and x. In this function I am trying to take x and x. So whenever I am trying to check this thing, like I am trying to write, let us understand, let me check this thing. We didn't get any snippet here, but when I am trying to write use strict here, whenever I am trying to place use strict here, you can see the duplicate parameter name not allowed in this context. It means we cannot use the duplicate parameters here. So whenever you are trying to use with a function, we cannot use duplicate parameters. Now let us check with the third case, that's the fourth case, sorry. Now I have taken a variable here. I am trying to take a variable x equals to 0 1 0. You know octal values will start from 0, like power of 8 and all these things. So I am trying to write this statement. If we can check, we don't have any error in this, but whenever I am trying to use strict here, you can see octal literals are not allowed in the strict mode. So whenever you are trying to use octal values, it will be not used in strict mode. Still, there are so many use cases for the strict mode, but for this session we have discussed about for the variables, for an object, for a function, and for the octal literals. So if you have any other things which allows the strict mode to be applied, you can just comment below this video. If you have any queries or any questions, you can just drop us a mail or you can comment below this video. Thank you.